Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to my channel. My name is Javi. In this video I would love to talk about erasing negative energy for good. We all experience negative energy through a loved one, through our daily living in this world. You could be at the grocery store, you could be getting gas, you could be at your job. The point is that negative energy is all around us. So how can we clear of all the energy that is around us that doesn't serve us? One must first give attention to yourself. You must first and foremost give priority to your awareness. When we see negative energy in someone, what we are doing is we are accepting their energy. That is not what we're supposed to be doing. We want to be the ones that see our awareness and let our awareness just be present. Our heart will do the talking. Our heart will do the speaking. Our heart will evaporate any energy that is trying to come into you. People will project negative energy at you, but that doesn't mean you have to see it. That doesn't mean you have to feel it. That doesn't mean that you have to accept it. When you give attention to someone's point of view and it's in a negative way, you are giving permission to them. You are accepting that what they are projecting is true, when in reality they are just in their mind. They could be just going through a very, very difficult time. So we must stay in truth. We must stay present. We must honor and respect their path, holding compassion and love always. And that's how we evaporate negative energy for good. We allow our light to light their candle. Brothers and sisters, thank you for watching another video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment if you feel compelled to comment, and until next video, all is love. Namaste. Amitabah. Peace.